Hi guys, welcome to Cozygisttv. I greet according to the time you're watching this video. And on this video, we're going to be talking about the season 9 Big Brother Naija reality TV show that is coming up on the 28th of July 2014. It's another season to expect more drama, more plot twists from the Big Brother Naija house. Big Brother Naija season 9 returned with a dynamic dual twist. On their page on Instagram, they posted that viewers to guess the pairs that are coming into the house: brothers and sisters, bestie, neighbors, and colleagues. The season 9 Big Brother Naija returned with this dynamic plot twist. We don't know yet the pairs that are coming into the house. We should just wait till then. The show is going to be going live on the 28th of July 2014, which is apparently this month we are in. So you guys should stay tuned. The season 9 Big Brother Naija show is going to be showing live on channel 29 Go TV and channel 198 on DSTV. I'm going to be giving you guys more updates and gist concerning this season 9 Big Brother Naija show as the show is going on. Don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button if it's the first time coming across Cozygisttv. Stay updated as I'm going to be giving you guys back-to-back gist on Big Brother Naija season 9. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.